Are you looking to install solar panels? Confused with who to trust? Or what system is right for you? With so much information out there today, it's a minefield. So how do you make an informed and an educated decision? It's a problem. Put your mind at ease. Grab a coffee and call Simon at the Little Green Energy Company. He runs a team of highly experienced alternative energy installers. Let the team identify the right system for you and start cutting the costs of your energy bills for way less than you think. From air source heat pumps, which work in the summer or the winter, whatever the weather, producing tons of hot water all year round, to solar PV and solar thermal panels, supplying zero cost electricity and hot water. The Little Green Energy Company. Call 01622 320 444 and let the Little Green Energy Company put a smile back on your face.